In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QR codes to track attendance with Google Forms. This powerful combination can streamline event management, class roll calls, or meetings by making attendance tracking both efficient and paperless. Now, let's dive into it. First, you'll want to navigate to Google and perform a search for how to use QR codes to track attendance with Google Forms. Find a reliable guide or tutorial that matches your level and objectives. This foundational step ensures you have a clear understanding of the process we'll be going through, and it will help set the stage for your attendance tracking system. Once you're familiar with the basic concept, the next step is to create your Google form. Think of your form as your data collector. You'll need fields for key information, typically including the attendee's name and any other specifics relevant to your event, like their email or department, if applicable. It's important to keep the form clean and focused only on gathering the essential data for attendance. After your form is ready, open a preferred QR code generator. There are many options available online, so choose one that's user-friendly and reputable. When you arrive at the QR code generator, you'll want to paste the URL of your Google form into the designated box. This linkage between the form and QR code is what allows attendees to access the form quickly and easily by simply scanning the code with their smartphone. Once you've generated your QR code, the next step is printing it out or sharing it digitally. Your QR code should be easily accessible to your attendees. If they're arriving at a physical location, having the QR code posted at the entrance or registration area can be very effective. Alternatively, for virtual or hybrid events, you can distribute the QR code through email invites or event reminders. As participants scan the QR code, they'll be directed to the Google form, where they can enter their attendance information. This part of the process shifts the responsibility onto the attendees, making the system both efficient and straightforward since there's no need for manually checking off names. It's especially beneficial in saving time and reducing errors that can occur with traditional roll call methods. Finally, make sure to monitor the responses in the Google form. Google Forms allows you to view and organize responses effortlessly. You might find it useful to set up notifications to notify you as responses come in, ensuring you're always aware of attendance, especially in real-time scenarios. And there you have it, a streamlined, modern way to track attendance using QR codes and Google Forms. With this method, you can simplify your process, reduce paperwork, and improve accuracy, all while providing an easy experience for your attendees. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps make your next event a success.